Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on the device. So to get started, pull down the notification panel where you'll find the record screen toggle. So you want to hold it at the start, and let's make sure that the video quality here is set to high, which it is, and then we can go back and just leave this. There's not much more options in there that we can find, and once we're on high, you can simply tap on it. It gives you this thing right here, and you'll have to tap on the red circle to start recording. And now whatever you will do will be recorded along with your finger presses. As you can see, there is a little white circle following my finger, and once you're done, just tap on the square and the footage will be saved to your photo gallery. So let's open that up, and where is it? And there we go. So that is basically how you record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.